This is what most Android phones look like out of the box. By the end of this video, we'll be turning that into this. Before anything else, install these 4 apps: Nova Launcher, Backdrops Wallpaper, Articons Icon Pack, and Chronus Widgets. Now let's do the initial setup for Nova Launcher, and you can just follow my steps. Okay, to change the icon pack, we will go to look and feel inside Nova and we'll change the icon theme to Articons. Open the backdrop app. Since we are going for a black theme, just select a planet for V1 and set it as a wallpaper. Okay, now since we are done with the initial setup, we'll change the home grid so the icons appear smaller. Now we'll add all of our apps below the planet to make it look nice and aligned. Now the last step, we'll install a clock widget. For that, open Chronus. You can confirm all of this by clicking got it, and now add a widget. Select the last one, clock analog, and we'll turn off the settings for this. Click the 3 dots and first of all show the settings button, turn it off, and in the clock and alarm turn off the date and show next alarm, so the clock would be free from any kind of distractions and it would look nice and clean.